Abortion is now outlawed in Oklahoma after the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, ending constitutional protections for abortion and allowing states to decide if the procedure should be legal or not.
Even before today's ruling, Oklahoma was already home to some of the strictest anti-abortion measures in the entire country. News 4's Austin Brissett begins our team coverage explaining the swift changes now happening to Oklahoma law.
Governor Kevin Stitt and Attorney General John O'Connor discussing the overturning of Roe v. Wade this afternoon, saying all abortions in Oklahoma are banned at conception, with only the exceptions of saving the mother's life, rape, and incest.
The womb is now, in Oklahoma, the safest place for a child to be.
Today, we are here to celebrate a lot of hard work.
Governor Kevin Stitt and Attorney General John O'Connor applauding the Supreme Court's move to overturn Roe v. Wade, leaving it up to the states to decide if abortion is legal. And O'Connor certifying Section 861 in Oklahoma state law, banning abortion immediately. State officials saying Section 861 bans abortion in the short term, but Senate Bill 612 that was passed this year will become the primary law once it takes effect in late August.
This is not only a victory for unborn children. This is a victory for everybody who believes in our system of government.
Until then, civil penalties can be handed down under House Bill 4327, which effectively bans abortion at conception. However, it includes the exceptions for rape and incest, or if the mother's life is at stake. O'Connor adding that advertising an abortion is illegal and private companies facilitating them are also breaking the law.
Oklahoma's law is very clear now.
The Oklahoma Democratic Party calling the Supreme Court decision unsettling, in a statement saying it, quote, does not end abortion, it ends safe, legal abortions in our state. Adding, quote, this decision is a prime example of have versus have not legislation. The haves will still have access. The right of the have-nots have just been severely limited. Anti-abortion advocates hope today's ruling is just the start.
It is my hope that the rest of America will follow Oklahoma's lead.
At the state capitol, Austin Brissett, Oklahoma's News 4.
We're told this law does not affect any contraception or fertility treatments and that the mother will not face charges, only those who help her get an abortion.